Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sea Slurps Fresh Noodle Fridays. We're doing it Thanksgiving edition, so for all my American viewers, happy Thanksgiving. That was yesterday. But now you're probably stuck with a bunch of turkey. What are you going to be doing with it? So today we're going to be making turkey pho. And it sounds a little bit weird. I can assure you it is delicious. It's a great way to use it for the rest of that turkey carcass, all the extra meat, and it's super easy to make. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!